another episode of the Mukbang Eating Show. Today we're at Coaster's Dinner and I got me this holiday turkey burger. Now look at that. This baby comes with pretzel bun, of course. Here's the pretzel bun. And it comes with a turkey patty, cranberry mayo, and some apple stage stuffing. So let's just hope it tastes as delicious as it looks. Now let's dig in, shall we? Wow, I don't know how I'm gonna bite into this, baby. But let's just hope it goes all good. Looks a little messy. Not bad at all. Tastes pretty delicious. Pretty darn good if you ask me. Oh yeah. That turkey tastes just like chicken. A little bit sweet on the cranberry, but not too sweet. Just right. Look at that, it's absolutely loaded. My kind of burger. I just bite it down and everything comes gushing out of its behind. The pretzel bun is so toasty, it's just right. Definitely have to open big for this one. Oh yeah. I'm really enjoying that cranberry mayo. So good. Yummy. This burger is one messy burger I gotta enjoy on my own. There you have it, food freaks. That's it for today. Till next time we eat again, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.